This is my code for the if else. So the point of this code was to create a mini game where the bow touches any part of the target, then it will display a word and also different scores. So first, when I click on the green flag, it resets. Repeat 10 times, and then it will glide 3 seconds to random X and random Y. So during this part, the bow will go randomly, and then the user had to click on it to see what point they have. So if the score is less than 0, then it will say better luck next time. If it's greater than 0, it will say good game. And then there's another if statement. It will say if scores are greater than 500, it will say that's a lot of point. And then for this part, it's that it says when I'm clicked, if it touches the red part, then the score will minus 25. And then it will say minus 25 for 20 seconds. If the score is, if it touches the yellow part, it will say plus 25. And then if it touches the green part, it will say plus 50. And let's see how this works. So first it moves to different places. If I click here, it will say minus 25. If I go here, it's 25, and then minus 25. So if I were to change like the wording of this entire game, if I say like, if I change the score to greater than 1000 point, then the user might lose like interactions. They don't want to play anymore. And then if I say like the score is less than 50 points, it will print out different wording like good luck or try again, something like that. It will affect how users play and how users like interact with this game. And then if I also change the scores, then it will also affect the user's experience. Thank you.